Hi, Paul here from Photogenius. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the 13th photography challenge. I started these challenges back in March when the COVID lockdown was starting to happen as a way of giving people something to do while stuck at home. It's become very popular, so I'm keeping it going. The challenge is currently every single month, and the theme of each challenge has been carefully set by myself as a way to challenge you guys to try different photography techniques, think about things like composition, and sometimes photograph things that you wouldn't otherwise photograph. Now, the reason I do this is because I think this is a great way of learning. So if you've missed out on some of the previous challenges, no worries, just head over to the Photogenius website where you'll find a full list alongside tutorials for each and every challenge. So if you want to go back and do some of the other challenges, no problem. There is no time limit. This is not a competition. I want you to have fun, take some cool photos and learn something new along the way. Over the last few months, I've shown you how to freeze motion. We've taken images of food, we've had a go at light painting, worked on our composition, created abstract images, and much more. So I want to say a big thank you to everybody that's got involved in the challenge so far. The response has been incredible. There's been over 4,000 images posted to Instagram, many more on the Facebook group. We now have 800 active members on the challenge Facebook group, which by the way is free to join. So if you're interested in getting involved in that, I'll put a link in the description below this video. Okay, this brings us now to this month's challenge. So the theme for this month's challenge is reflections, and the hashtag for this month, if you're posting your images to social media, is PGC13. Now what you photograph is entirely up to you, but I want you to find ways in which you can use the reflection to make the image more interesting. It could be the reflection in a window, a mirror, maybe on water. Look for ways to make your picture engaging, interesting, artistic, maybe even abstract. I love taking photos of reflections on water here, an early start to the day just before sunrise to capture the beautiful light and the Story Bridge reflected in the Brisbane River. These two photos taken during a recent iPhone photography course, and here capturing my daughter enjoying the low tide on the Brisbane Bay as the sun sets. Try using reflections to create symmetry in your images. A good tip is to bring your camera lens really close to the reflective surface. Who says you can't take amazing photos even on a rainy day? Here, using just a puddle to create these amazing, really cool and dramatic reflections by shooting from a very low vantage point. Now here I want to show you a couple of images that I took just a few months ago as part of our portrait challenge. The first image is a picture taken with a Fujifilm camera of me reflected in a bathroom mirror. The second image just taken with my iPhone. It's a picture of me again on a rainy day, the reflection taken in a car wing mirror. So as with all the challenges so far, you're invited to share your images if you wish to the Facebook group. It's free to join, link in the description below this video. You may of course be on Instagram. If you are posting to Instagram, please use the hashtag PGC13. That way I and others can check out your images. So I hope you have a lot of fun with this month's challenge, which is all about reflections. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps. Consider subscribing to my channel. New videos every single week. Down below, comments, suggestions and questions. I hope to see you again sometime soon. See ya. Bye.